Have you ever wished you could create a web app without knowing how to code? Replit AI is here to revolutionize the way you think about app development. In this video, I will show you how to create a fully functional mini app from scratch with just a few prompts. And it's fast, intuitive, and perfect for anyone who wants to turn concepts into working apps. By the end of this video, you will wonder why you didn't start coding with AI sooner. Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about what Replit AI is. Replit AI is an AI-powered coding assistant built into the Replit platform, which is designed to simplify and accelerate the development process. It provides powerful features like intelligent code completion, automatic bug fixing, and scaffolding entire projects from scratch, making coding more accessible than ever. Whether you are a beginner taking your first steps into programming or an experienced developer looking to streamline your workflow, Replit AI is here to help. With its intuitive interface and AI-powered suggestions, it bridges the gap between ideas and functional code, eliminating common hurdles like syntax errors and debugging frustrations. In this tutorial, we will explore how to leverage Replit AI's capabilities to create a web-based mini app, showcasing its ability to handle coding challenges, adapt to your specific needs, and drastically reduce development time. Whether you are building your first app or enhancing an existing project, Replit AI makes the journey smoother and faster. So let's dive in and see what it can do for you. Let's start by selecting the ideal for our mini app. For this demo, I will create a simple to-do list app. It's the perfect choice because it demonstrates essential concepts like data handling, building a user-friendly interface, and implementing basic functionality. And of course, this method works for countless other projects like calculators, weather apps, or even small games. Now, let's set up the project in Replit. First, log into your Replit account. If you don't have one yet, you can go to replit.com to create an account. Once logged in, click the Create button at the top right corner. Let's explore the options available for creating a project inside Replit. There are three main tabs at the top. The first one is Create with Replit AI Agent. This option allows you to describe what you want to build in simple terms, project, tailored to your specific description. It's perfect if you are not sure where to start, want a guided setup. And the second option is to choose a template. If you have a specific type of project in mind, such as a static website or Python script, or even a Node.js server, you can select from pre-designed templates. These templates are ready to use and pre-configured with the necessary file structure, which saves you time for setting up. The third tab is Import from GitHub. If you already have a project hosted on GitHub, you can import it directly into your Replit. This is especially helpful if you are building on existing work or collaborating on a shared repository. For this demo, I will use the Create with Replit AI Agent option to leverage its smart and AI-driven project generation. Below the text box, you can also see quick prompts like local landmarks map, AI chat, or even integrations such as Stripe payment or Firebase login to inspire other project ideas. This provides a great way to explore what's possible without starting from scratch. And it's very helpful if you don't know what apps to build at first. Now, let's build our to-do list app. In the text box, I will type build a to-do list app with this simple and user-friendly interface. Once your idea is ready, click the purple Start Building button to proceed. Now the Replit agent is thinking about how to build the app and considering options to build it. Alright, Replit AI has responded with a detailed plan. It suggests a framework for the app. In this case, it's proposing to use React and Express, which are excellent choices for building a modern, responsive applications. It also focuses on creating a clean and intuitive interface, which aligns perfectly with our prompt. Replit AI offers to build an initial prototype for us. This prototype will serve as the foundation of the app. What really surprised me is that it provides some additional feature options based on its understanding of the app we are building. And all the suggested features are really good actually. The first feature is Edit Task Categories. This would allow users to organize tasks into groups. And the next one is Implement Due Dates. This is useful for adding deadlines for tasks. And Edit Task Priority Levels. This helps users prioritize what's important. For this demo, let's keep it simple and start with just the initial prototype. But remember, you can always add these features later, or add any other features you want to add to your app. Just describe what you want to add and send the message to the agent, and it will build for you. Next, I will click the Approve plan and start. To let Replit AI begin generating the prototype. At this point, the AI will scaffold the project with all the necessary files and code structure. It's incredibly intuitive. You don't need to write a single line of code to get started, but you can see how it writes code and builds the app live. Great! Now that Replit AI has generated the initial prototype of our to-do list app, this interface on the right displays the app in its current state. As you can see, it includes a simple and intuitive design with a tasks, header, a search bar, and an Edit Task button. Below that, there is an empty space where tasks will be displayed once they are added. This layout is a great starting point for the functionality we want to build. Replit AI has also provided a detailed standards update on the left-hand side, such as the dependencies have been installed and the application has been configured. Now, Replit AI is asking for our feedback. It wants us to verify that the basic features of the app are working as expected. Here's how we can test it. Let's add a task. Click the blue Add Task button and type something simple like buy groceries. And click Add Task and see if it appears in the task list. Great, it's added to the list. And let's select the task we just created and edit it. Buy groceries and cook dinner. Alright, then let's mark the task as complete. If it doesn't update automatically, we can click this refresh button to see if the change is saved. Now it's updated, and we can delete the task to ensure it's removed from the list. We can also ask the agent to update the changes in real time, so that we don't need to click the refresh button. Let's say when I make changes to a task, I need to refresh the page to see the changes. This takes it to update the changes in real time. Then it will fix that. Let me quickly test it and see if it updates in real time. Add the task, mark it as complete, and edit it, and then delete the task. Perfect, now it updates in real time. These tests will help us confirm that the basic functionality is in place. If everything works as expected, Replit AI provides options to expand the app further, and you can click the Show More features to see other suggested features, and ask the agent to add that feature to your app, which is very intuitive and efficient. If you don't like the visual style or UI elements, you can ask the agent to change that design as well. But in this demo, I will keep it as simple as possible to give you a sense of what this AI agent can do for you. Now we have a working mini app, and this normally takes a few weeks to build. But with the Replit AI agent, we only spend a few minutes. So this AI tool is really powerful. Now that our to-do list app is functional, let's deploy it so others can access it online. Deployment is a crucial step for making your mini app publicly accessible. Let's go through the process step by step. First, on the Replit interface, click this Deploy button at the top right corner of the workspace. This is where we will publish the app to a live environment. Replit provides several development options, including auto-scale, reserved VM, static pages, and scheduled jobs. For most applications, including our to-do list app, the auto-scale option is ideal as it ensures scalability and reliability. Let's click the Set up your development button under the auto-scale section. This option will automatically scale your app based on demand, making it affordable and efficient. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to configure your deployment. Once everything is set up, click Deploy to initiate the process. Then, Replit will handle the heavy lifting, setting up the stable and public URL for your app. This process typically takes a few minutes. After deployment is complete, Replit will provide a live link to your app. Let's give it a few minutes. Alright, now it's done. Let's open the link in the browser to test the deployed version. and check if all the features such as adding, testing, and deleting tasks work seamlessly and correctly. Finally, share this link with others to let them interact with your app. Whether it's a showcase for potential employers or a tool for your own productivity, your mini app is now live and ready to use. If you don't want to use the URL from Replit, you can go to Settings to link your own domain. And Replit will guide you to link your domain. It's very easy to customize the app settings based on your needs and use cases. Next, let's explore how the techniques we've used today can be applied to a wide range of projects beyond just a to-do list app. This process can work for creating calculators, quizzes, simple e-commerce sites, or even portfolio websites. Whether you are building a tool to solve a specific problem, showcase your skills, or learn more about coding, Replit AI makes this process incredibly fast and accessible. For professionals, this can be a way to prototype ideas for clients or employers quickly. Imagine creating a customized sales dashboard, a team productivity tool, or a feedback collection app in minutes. For product managers, Replit AI can help streamline workflows by creating quick prototypes for initial tools or user-facing features, which enables them to validate ideas and gather feedback from teams without waiting for full development cycles. It's also perfect for presenting concepts visually to stakeholders in record time. For startup founders, this tool offers the ability to rapidly build MVPs to test market ideas, impress potential investors, or solve operational challenges like automating repetitive tasks. And for students, it's an opportunity to build projects for coursework, personal portfolios, or hackathons without being overwhelmed by coding complexities. So, Replit AI is a game changer, and today we saw just how powerful it is. In just a few minutes, we built and deployed a fully functional web-based mini app, showing how simple it can be to turn an ideal into reality. I encourage you to dive in and explore Replit AI for yourself. Start your own project today and see just how easy it is to bring your idea to life. If this tutorial inspired you or gave you some ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it with someone who could use an AI-powered boost to their coding. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.